Alright, so if anybody looking for the battery PCX, for the Honda PCX 150, this is the original GTZ 8V, and it's pricey, 90 bucks. I find some solution for you. This is you can get this on Amazon, $30, 2 years warranty. We'll see how it's gonna last, I mean, and it comes with a handy dandy setup. Look, you got a 12.72 volt, you got the days counting, and you got the voltage monitor, something I don't know, extra stuff. So yeah, we're gonna throw this in, and it's exactly the same. If you look at it, it's the same size, perfect. It's a Honda PCX 150, fits right in, no problem. See ya.